Hi, my name is Shawn Eyestone from Eyestone Law Offices. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how you go about choosing someone to manage your finances if you're not able. The first question I ask is, would you trust this person to manage your checkbook? Would you turn over your checkbook and all of your check writing privileges right now? That's the main thing. If you don't trust somebody to manage your finances, that's not the right person to do that. And then my dad always had a phrase he used, sometimes people are too willing. So if somebody's too eager to get into your finances, that might throw up some red flags as well. And the other most important thing, I think, is you need to let people know that they should be keeping an eye on what this person does for your finances. So if you become unable to manage your finances, you have other people that are going to watch over what this agent under the power of attorney is going to do, or the trustee under the trust is going to do. This could be friends, this could be siblings, it could be your own children. Any of those people can help make sure that you're taken care of and not taken advantage of.